if two people come together, it should be a sharing of joy, not extracting joy from each other. If you try extraction, if you go out to get something, whether you're conscious of it or not, your mind will become a marketplace. Then you will haggle how to give less and take more. There is a difference between livelihood and life. You are coming together for life, not for livelihood. If you're coming together for life, you must understand life is enriched by giving, not by extraction. If you just understand this one point, if you always are conscious, this is about how to make the other person's life as beautiful and as wonderful as possible. If you just remember this, you don't have to worry about reading self-help books on how to manage good relationships. You just do this one thing, everything will be fine with your life.